Africa Content TV.
My very dear brother, the President of the Baptist Convention, Dr. Israel Akanbi, and Pastor Mrs. Akanbi, are also here. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. First, let me say that we're here, and I'll mention why we're here in a moment. But it was impossible for me to come to Oluwo without coming to pay my respects to the Oluwo of Oluwo. And I say so because he and I have formed a very strong brotherhood over the years. And it would have been difficult for me to visit Oluwo without who wants to talk about the FCE, about the Federal College. But I think it's I'll come to it also. But let me just say that this is a very auspicious occasion. I'm very, very happy to be here. And I'm also happy to see our Olori. After the wedding, we have not had an opportunity to see the bride and the bridegroom. So I'm also very happy to see them both here today. We're here for another landmark development in Osun State, which also explains why the governor himself is here. Bowen University has done a tremendous thing indeed. They are in partnership with Virginia Tech, a university. And they are launching today, and we're commissioning today, something that's a bit of a mouthful. It is called the Virginia Tech Nigerian Bowen Equatorial Aeronomy Radar. The VGT Niger Bear, the VGT Niger Bear. It's very, again, it's a bit of a mouthful because what it's meant to do is not something that is very well known, but something that's so important. Just to explain it simply, as I understand it, there are many of these radars, quite a few all over the world, but most of them are to investigate the ionosphere, where you have electrons and where you have all sorts of other ions that can cause irregularities and create problems for GPS and also for high frequency signals. Now, all over the world they've had all these kinds of radars, but there has been none in the lower altitudes, in the lower latitudes, such as the equatorial latitudes, such as where we are. There has been none at all. So this is the first of its kind in the world. Wow. In Africa, in our own part of the globe. So it's a very important project indeed, and this is one of the reasons why I think we're all gathered to witness it and to officially commission it. Again, it demonstrates very clearly one of the things that we've always known, which is that private universities are so crucial to the development of our tertiary education. They're so crucial. And we've seen, how they have been so creative and so innovative, and they've been very forward-looking. And this example of what Bowen has done is a very great one indeed. To think that we have our own scientists, including the Vice Chancellor of the university, he led this project, and several others who have made a significant contribution to this very groundbreaking effort. So I think it's a very great thing indeed, and we're extremely proud of what Bowen University has done, and we're proud that it's happening here in Oluwo and here in Osun State. So this is I'm just here, as I've said, just to greet my friend and brother, and to also wish all of the kings, the Imperial Majesties who are present, and for making the time to be here to receive me today. Thank you all very much. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Excellency the Vice President. Now we're moving straight to listen to our royal father, the Oluwo of Woland. Kabiyesi Oba.
Anybody láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹni tí ọba máa ń rò kò lè mọ̀ pé dá kì í ṣe ń tó bá mọ̀ pé dá nìkan ló máa ń rò náà ni ọmọ máa ń rò dáadáa mo sì mọ̀ pé dá adúpẹ́ o ìjókòó yìí lágbára ní ìwò náà ní tí ìwá sí ìwò the vice president of this great country, the most populous country in the world, in Africa, the most populous in Africa. And the vice president is here, which has never happened before in the history. 3 times now he has been here. It has never happened. Nígbà tèmi, ó bá ti ń sàyà àti àwọn ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n I greet you, Vice President of this great nation, Nigeria. I welcome you. I really thank you so much. Udube gómìnà wa, Alhaji Isi Agboyega ìtàn. Mi máa bí máa ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, wọ́n máa kàn máa sọ. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọba aládé pátápátá. Mo kí o. Mo kí the President of Baptist Convention, Dr. Israel. Yes, Reverend, right? And the delectable, beautiful wife. I greet you, Pastor. And I go to the Pro-Chancellor, Mrs. Joan, Dr. Joan, yes. The VC, I greet you. And I know there are many great people from Bowen here. All the Bowen, the SSG, Baba Batutu, and the Deputy Chief of Staff, Justice Falola, the IBOT are here, the Board of Trustees, also the princes and the chiefs. Entourage of the Vice President, Mr. Oluwo Akanbi, greet you, and I mean more Kwanwen, but I know I forgot your name. Mokiboboa, doctors and professors from Bowen University. I greet you. The Vice Chancellor, Mutikini Abi, yes, is doing great. During your time, greater things are happening. So we are there together. Níjọ́ wọn bí mi, wọ́n ní wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ sọ mí ní Akórèwálé, Akórèdé. Wọ́n ní Adéwálé ni wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀, wọ́n ti mú kọ́lẹ̀. They have chosen a name to give me, but somebody just came in and said, you are not going to give him that name. The name you will give him from God Almighty is Adéwálé yóò gbé Adéwálé. Akórèdé yóò máa kórèdé. Olúṣẹ́gun kò sí ogun tí ó borí ẹ̀. Wọ́n ní wọ́n wá sọ ní afinimọ̀nà ní èdè Lárúbáwá, ìyẹn ní Abdulrasheed. Akórèdé orúkọ náà ń rò mí nítorí pé mò ń kórè wálé. Ní tí ò ṣẹlẹ̀ is something that has never happened in the history of Africa, which is what Bowen University is bringing now. This is something great. During this time also, that me, my chiefs and princes and kings, and they were doing together, Federal College of Education came here. Through the efforts of the Vice President that I reach out to, the Governor, and many other Minister of Water Resources, Mukizari, I really appreciate them all. Many other ones. But thank you, because I told you during your campaign, and you said you will do it. And when I reach out to you, you said you will make sure that it's not going to anywhere. And Adúpẹ́, ó yẹ ká dúpẹ́, ó yẹ ká dúpẹ́, àrà sán, atẹ́gùn fẹ́, This time is a glorious moment. Then this Virginia Tech miracle that just happened. Bowen University. It is during the VC's time, the Pro-Chancellor's time, and Dr. Mrs. Joan. I will kill you or boy, or one baby, got you, you got a VC, no, my lawyer, no, got it, me, Ilubati Dubai, the sign of times. Okay, you buy like Ubo, and not be a show. Ori Paul, and I can't because the vice president doesn't have enough time, too much time. So all I want to do, if I have a zillion tongues, I will use it to praise God Almighty. I do bear. Ní ààfin yìí mo kàn fẹ́ introduce ẹ̀ sí yín ni èmi kọ́ lọ́ba èmi kọ́ ni kábíyọ́pò sí Ọlọ́run nìkan lọ́ba Ọlọ́run ní kábíyèsí so ààfin yìí tí ìbá ṣe mi lọ́ba tó bá jẹ́ pọ̀ Ọlọ́run lọ́ba ààfin yìí ni ààfin Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè ọba lórí ṣe ààfin tí òòṣà gbọ́dọ̀ wà. I have to say that and I defend that. Because they mean la really Olódùmarè, so I must defend God name anywhere, anytime. Òòṣà orí gbígbé nílé ayé tiwa nínú àfihàn èmi ju òòṣà lọ. Aláṣẹ ni ọba, aláṣẹ lórí gbogbo àwọn tí òrìṣà dá. Ọba aláṣẹ náà pé òun ni aláṣẹ lórí gbogbo àwọn tí òrìṣà dá. Yóò dáa fún yín o, ẹ sọ yẹ o. Èmi Olódùmarè ni a sì máa kí